Private schools in Ghana are among the hardest hit institutions by the COVID-19 pandemic. Those schools have reopened after a 10-month break. Some schools are still struggling to weather the shocks of the COVID-19 impact on their operations. Join News' Mahmoud Mohamed Nuruddin reports on the situation at one of such schools.
Built Homeland Educational Complex has lost almost all of its staff. About 90% of the teachers who were groomed and trained by the school have switched from teaching to other income-generating activities. Proprietress Mavis Opoku says things are tough because they cannot pay their taxes due to financial constraints.
No, since March, after the lockdown, we wrote a letter. We sent a letter. Yes, we sent a letter to the office. It's insurance, SNET that we sent a letter that we can no longer pay because there is no money. We don't have money. But tax, we haven't paid since. Because when we come to school, that's where we get money to pay our SNET and our income tax and other stuff. Now we don't have money, so we cannot pay our taxes.
School enrollment has gone down by 20%.
For now, if I should compare our enrollment before and then, it has affected us just a little bit, not too much, but it has affected us a little bit, maybe probably about 20%.
The current population of the students?
The current population now is 432. As I said, unless the weekend, getting to third week, that you will really be able to determine the number of people that have left and then the incoming ones, the newcomers.
About 90% of the workers of the school, including drivers, have quit.
I've lost almost all my workers because if the teacher from break till March, I pay them April. Since May, I couldn't pay them. Christmas, they have to take, others are having family, they need to take care of their family. But if you are not paying such a person, an employee from May up to date, there is no way the employee will come back to you. Most of them find their ways in the market to go into their own business. Others are selling and a whole lot. So they felt like you did not pay us from March, so why should I come and work with you now? So I've lost about 90% of my workers that I've trained. I've organized in service training workshop for. I've lost almost all of them. So it has been hell. But it has been hell. I would say it has been hell. I've lost almost all my workers together with drivers. Even the drivers, I've lost most of them.
The proprietress is looking forward to receiving any support to keep the school running. A report by Mohamed Nuruddin.